Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the correct Microsoft account in OneDrive on web or app. Once signed in, check account storage to see used GB and plan limits so you know how much to clear. Pause sync in the OneDrive client on your PC or mobile to prevent file conflicts while you remove items. Now open the OneDrive web interface and filter files by size or date to prioritize large or old items. That gives you a clear action plan to free space. You'll focus on the middle steps. In the OneDrive web view, sort files by size and delete the largest, or download and move them to local or external backup if needed. Make sure to check shared folders and remove your copies if appropriate. After deleting, go to the recycle bin and permanently delete items to actually free space. Also review device backups in settings and unlink any phones or PCs you no longer want backing up to OneDrive, which prevents repeated storage growth. You'll wrap up by verifying the reclaimed storage in account storage and confirming your sync settings reflect only the folders you need. Once done, reduce automatic uploads like camera roll or Office autosave to prevent rapid reappearance of files. If the storage numbers don't update, clear the OneDrive client cache, sign out and sign in again, or unlink and relink the account. That usually forces a resync and corrects the display. Make sure to keep one local backup before big deletions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.